Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can build a flowchart in Miro. Flowcharts help you visualize processes and organize ideas clearly, making your workflow more professional. So make sure that you're logged into a Miro account that supports editing boards. And now that you're in at Miro.com, you will have to click this plus button right here. And then what you will do is you will look for shapes. So go ahead and type shapes. Then you will click that shapes and lines, and then now what you will do is you will either drag a rectangle, a circle, a diamond onto the canvas to represent a step or decision. So for example, this arrow, this rectangle right here, so just go ahead and drag it onto the canvas, and then what you will do is you will click on the shape so that you will be able to add text. Then you will describe the step, and then you will use the arrow connector, which is on the um, shape section as well. So just go ahead and look for it. Then just drag the arrow right here, and then just change its end. It really depends on your preference. And then what you will do is you will use the arrow connector tool from the toolbar to link shapes and indicate the flow. Then you will customize the shapes and arrows using the properties toolbar, which is right here. And then you will zoom in or out using the bottom right zoom tool for better layout, and then you will save your board automatically, and then you will click share, which is right here, and then you will copy link to send it to your team members. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.